What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best voltage tester. These testing devices have screens or scales which indicate the actual amount of the voltage in the circuit. Thus, you will not have to perform any guesswork. However, they combine different constructions for different situations. There are a lot of products available to choose to voltage tester, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best voltage tester products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fluke 1AC-A12 Voltage Tester. Check out the Fluke 1AC2 non-contact voltage tester quality pen tester from a leader in the electrical testing industry. This tester can detect voltage between 90 and 1000 volts, while fitting comfortably in a tool pouch or pocket. When it detects voltage, the tip glows bright red as an alert. The Fluke 1AC2 voltage tester features a continuous self-test indicator that flashes red to alert that it's working. It also has a loud audible beep to indicate it is detecting power, but there is a disable function for quiet environments. This Fluke voltage tester runs on 2 included AAA batteries, and it features an automatic shut-off to save battery life. This voltage tester was extremely easy to use during testing. The self-testing indicator is a handy feature as it constantly alerted that the tool was in fact working. Number 2. Sperry Instruments Voltage Tester. For a reliable, value-minded voltage tester, the STK001 non-contact voltage tester from Sperry Instruments is worth a look. This pen tester comes with a plug-in outlet tester, allowing users to test wires and outlets with one kit. The pen tester detects voltages between 50 and 1000 volts. When it detects voltage, it will beep loudly, and a clear plastic that houses the bulb will flash red. It runs on 1 AAA battery included, and it has a low battery indicator to ensure it's working. The outlet tester will alert the user to voltage as well as open grounds, open neutrals, open hots, and reverse polarities. It can also test ground full circuit interrupter (GFCI) outlets to ensure they're working properly. Our assessment of the Sperry kit is that it offers a lot of value for its price point. For a relatively low cost, consumers get 2 tools to detect voltage. The plug-in tester proved easy to use to make testing outlet wiring configurations a breeze. Also, tripping GFCIs is simple, requiring just the press of a button. However, the pen tester is extremely sensitive and occasionally alerts to voltage that isn't present, but at least it errs on the side of caution. Number 3. Klein Tools Voltage Tester. Klein Tools produces top-notch tools for electrical professionals, and the Klein Tools NCVT1 non-contact voltage tester lives up to the company's legacy. It can test for voltage between 50 and 1000 volts of alternating current, and it fits nicely in a pocket or pouch. The NCVT1 voltage tester uses an easy-to-understand red and green indicator to alert the user to power. Green for no power and red for voltage. It also beeps steadily when it detects voltage. It features an automatic shut-off to stretch battery life, and a low battery indicator that alerts when the included AAA batteries are about to run out. While it may drain batteries a bit faster than some other voltage testers, the constant green this tester emits when it's on proved a nice touch during testing. It not only indicated that the model was working, but slightly illuminated dark spaces, too. We also like that this tester is compact, measuring just 5.5 inches long, making it more than suitable for a toolbox or bag. Also, the automatic shut-off turns off without a loud beep, saving energy and avoiding startling the user when working with an electrical device. Number 4. Ideal Industries Voltage Tester. Whether it's a spare to toss in a tool bag or the main voltage tester a technician keeps in a shirt pocket, the Ideal Industries 40 to 1000 VA volt aware and CVT is a worthy choice. This model isn't much larger than a typical magic marker, so it fits easily within most clothing pockets, and can even slip into a pencil pocket in a tool bag or tool belt. This tester can detect voltage between 40 and 1000 volts AC. It has a green steady light that indicates when it's on as well as a red flashing light and beep that indicates when it detects electricity. The rubberized body prevents slipping out of the hand, and the silence beep toggle button near the tip is easy to access and use. We found it so handy to tote this tester in either a shirt pocket or the one on our tool belt because it's not just compact, but also rounded, taking up less space than a square-cornered model. We also like the twist-on and twist-off function for a more tactile response than pressing a standard on-off switch, and the rubber grip makes grabbing it out of a pocket a breeze. Number 5. Fluke T61000 Electrical Tester. Often, electrical professionals need a fast way to test a wire and take a measurement without finding a junction or outlet. The Fluke T61000 Pro Electrical Tester Multimeter's field sense setting not only detects voltage, but it also measures that voltage without disconnecting connections. Simply slide the testing fork over the wire, and the T61000 will report on that wire's condition. The T61000 features all the other common settings expected from a multimeter, including both DC and AC, amperage, and resistance measurements. This durable voltage tester comes with alligator clips, swappable test leads, and a holster to keep it close at hand. As a multimeter, the T61000 works just as we expected it to, providing readings on voltage, resistance, and amperage as well as hertz, helpful for electrical motor service and other equipment. The fact that it can indicate the presence of voltage between the forks is a nice benefit, allowing it to serve as a non-contact tester, as well as a standard multimeter. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.